Easter is one of the most popular festivals celebrated across the whole of Europe. People celebrate this day as the day of Jesus Christ's resurrection. Hello friends, this is your Desi girl Neha once again. Welcome to my show Swedeshi. Friends, for me, Easter is special for two reasons. One being that it comes at the onset of summers in Europe, and the another is that it brings an extended weekend. But apart from this, the most beautiful part of this Easter festival is Easter egg decoration. There is such a liveliness around the city with many colorful and happening events.
Fyrverkeri, jag tänkte överraskad han ska bli. Den stackars räven när han biter i vår nya höna med mycket peppar i. Fyrverkeri, jag tänkte överraskad han ska bli. Den stackars räven när han biter i vår nya höna med mycket peppar i. Fyrverkeri. Let me die in your laughter. Come feed me again. Feel like myself.
Tata, gracias. Tata, gracias. This is. चलो भाई, इसकी मुझे इंतजार
So friends, I hope you like the video, and for more videos of Swedeshi, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Swedeshi. Till then, goodbye, take care and be happy.